Hello and welcome to Writing Practices. Today we're diving into the essentials of crafting a compelling UK visa invitation letter. This document plays a pivotal role in supporting a visitor's visa application, and understanding its structure and content is key to its effectiveness. Let's explore each component in detail. 1. Your personal information. Begin by providing your full name, address, city, postal code, email address, and phone number. This information establishes your identity and location, offering the visa officer a clear point of contact. For example, John Doe, 123 London Road, London, SW 1A1AA. john.doe@example.com, plus 4427 9460 958. 2. Date. Include the date on which you're writing the letter. This adds context and indicates the letter's relevance. For instance, 10th January 2025. 3. Salutation. Address the letter with a formal greeting. Since the exact recipient may be unknown, a general salutation like "to whom it may concern" is appropriate. This ensures the letter maintains a professional tone. 4th subject line. Clearly state the purpose of the letter in the subject line. This helps the reader quickly understand the letter's intent. For example, subject: Invitation for Jane Smith to visit the United Kingdom 5. Opening greeting. Begin the letter with a formal salutation, such as "Dear Sir" or "Madam," to maintain professionalism. 6th, introduction of the invitation. In the opening paragraph, clearly state the purpose of the letter. Mention the full name of the visitor, their address, and the specific purpose of their visit. Specify the intended dates of the visit and where they will be staying. For example, I am writing to formally invite Jane Smith, residing at 456 Maple Street, Toronto, Canada, to visit me in the United Kingdom for a family reunion. The visit is planned from 1st March 2025 to 31st March 2025, during which Jane will stay at my residence, located at 123 London Road, London. 7. Details of the invitation. Elaborate on your relationship with the visitor and your immigration status in the UK. This information establishes the legitimacy of the invitation and your capacity to host. For instance, I am the sister of Jane Smith, and I am a British citizen residing legally in the UK. The purpose of this visit is to spend quality time together and celebrate our parents' 50th wedding anniversary. 8. Financial support and accommodation. Clearly outline the support you will provide during the visitor's stay. Mention accommodation arrangements and any financial assistance. Listing the documents you are including to support these claims adds credibility. For example, during her stay, I will be responsible for providing accommodation at my home and any necessary financial support. I confirm that I have the means to cover these expenses and have attached the following documents to demonstrate my ability to support Jane during her visit. 1. Proof of my residency status in the UK, such as a copy of my passport. 2. Proof of address, such as a recent utility bill. 3. Proof of financial stability, such as bank statements from the last 3 months. 9. Visitor's details. Provide specific details about the visitor, including their full name, date of birth, passport number, and your relationship to them. This information personalizes the letter and links it directly to the individual's visa application. For example, full name, Jane Smith. Date of birth, 15th April 1985. Passport number, a 1234567. Relationship to me, sister. 10th, assurance of visitor's intentions. Assure the visa officer that the visitor intends to return to their home country after the visit. This is crucial as it addresses potential concerns about overstaying. For instance, I assure you that Jane intends to return to Canada upon the conclusion of her visit and has no intention of overstaying her visa. 11th, offer of further information. Express your willingness to provide additional information if required. This demonstrates transparency and your commitment to facilitating the visa process. For example, should you require any further information or documentation, please do not hesitate to contact me at +44 27 946 0958 or john.doe@example.com. 12th, closing. Conclude the letter by thanking the reader for considering the invitation. Use a formal closing, such as yours faithfully, followed by your full name. This maintains the letter's professionalism. For example, thank you for considering this invitation. Yours faithfully, John Doe. 13. Attachments. List the documents you are including with the letter. This helps the visa officer verify the information provided and assess the visitor's application. For example, attachments, copy of my British passport, recent utility bill, bank statements from the last 3 months. By meticulously including each of these elements, you create a comprehensive and persuasive invitation letter that supports your visitor's visa application. Remember, clarity and honesty are paramount. Ensure all information is accurate and that you genuinely intend to uphold the commitments stated in your letter. Thank you for joining us on Writing Practices. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy writing!